So in the last session, we have seen how Vault Agent helps us to do certificate renewal for PKI, and we have seen it via CLI, we have seen it via Terraform. In this session, let's focus on how we can generate a certificate or issue a certificate via Python. So the role we are using is MCU role. Okay, the role has already created. If we check it from UI, my CA and intermediate CA is already set up. Now let's focus on the Python code. So here I have my main.py, and in this lib folder I am maintaining this common.py to set environment variables. So here I'm maintaining my config.properties. I'm using my dev vault here. So my vault token and all, the role name is MCU role, intermediate CA is this, certificate location is search. It's empty right now, and here the logic is there. So here you can see I'm generating a certificate. I am using here I'm setting up my headers here, and then using this request I'm giving a post call and passing this payload. So here I'm just compare it with this. Okay, via CLI it was like this, but via Python it will be like this. I'm passing this payload, detail as 1 minute. I have already installed my pip requirement, but let me redo it if I missed any. Oh, it is already set. So let's have a run. So Python version in 3.6.8. So if I run this Python main.py, so if I run Python main.py, so you can see the certificate is created. So if I go to my Python and search, so you can see, so this is my issuing certificate. Okay, this is the hierarchy, and if I go to this Avenger certificate, so you can see hierarchy has been created, and you can see there is a gap of 1 minute plus 30 seconds gets extra. I don't know the reason, but there is a gap of 1. Okay, so that's it guys. For this video we have seen how via Python we can generate a certificate. Now in the next we will see how we can achieve the same via Java language. Stay with me. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe. This will help me to work on myself.